Hello, this is Amelia from the Thesis Video Tutorial site, and this is another video in the WordPress Beginner Basics series, and today I'm going to go through the post area of our WordPress dashboard. So to get to the post area, we just click on this post here in the dashboard menu, and it'll take us to a page that displays all our posts that are in our blog at the moment. So I'm just going to go from the top down with regards to this page, and the first thing we've got is the screen options. So if we click on the screen options, a little box will drop down and it'll show some little check boxes here, and this is so we can choose to decide what we want to display. So at the moment I don't have tags displaying in this box here, so if I now click it, you'll see that tags have now suddenly appeared, but I actually don't want it there. You can also choose how many posts will display on a page, and depending on how many posts you have, you will see page numbers on the bottom of your screen, and you can choose how many posts will appear on a page by page basis. So you can choose, I think it comes with 20 by default, and I've changed mine to 10, so you can just change that to whatever you want. The next thing we've got is the help area here, and this is just documentation about what this page is all about and things that you can do. So it says, what the screen content is about, the actions you can do, the bulk actions. So it's just going through things that you can do on this particular page. We've then got this Add New button, and if we press this Add New button, we're then taken to what's called the WordPress Post Editor, and this is where we can add a new post to our site. The next thing we've got here is a series of links with some numbers beside it, and this is just showing the posts that we have and what type of posts are on our blog at the moment. So at the moment we've got 5 posts there available. We've got 4 that are published. We've got 1 that is sticky, and sticky being a post that will appear at the top of a blog, and I'll go through that later with the types of posts available. We've also got a draft there, and we've got one that's in the trash, so one that we've deleted. So at the moment we've got the 5 posts there, and you can see the sticky post there and the draft. So our 5 total, our draft and our sticky, so you can see that there. On the other side of the screen there, we've got the search post, so you can type in a particular search term and click search, and it will match it up for you, so it'll sort it via your particular search terms. We then have some little drop downs here, and I'll go through these 2 here first. So we've got what's called filters, and so if we choose to say with the dates, we can choose to only show posts that were published in November last year, so we can select to have that and click on the filter. We've then got all the categories, so if you're categorizing your posts, you can select your particular category name and check filter, and that will filter all your posts based on the category that you've selected. The other one we've got here is the bulk actions, and this is where you can select particular posts. So we've got all these radio buttons here, so you can select these particular posts. You can then choose to edit them all, or you can choose to move them all to the trash. If you want to move everything or update everything, you'll just click this little radio button here, and it will pre-select all the posts that you have there, and then you just click apply to do whatever you need to do.